So I'm finally here to give you the macerated edible gum recipe. And I also call this our winter cookies and milk. It's ultimate tissue building, nourishing, protein building food. I love this as a winter breakfast item. The first thing you need is water chestnut flour, available in Indian grocery stores as well as other places. Edible gum, this is what it looks like. You also need a tablespoon or two of crushed jaggery, roasted and crushed almonds as well. That's what that is. And I love the taste of almonds in this. You take your pan, add ghee. We are generous with our ghee because our bodies have gotten really used to ghee. And then you take your edible gum, which I love to see how that pops in this ghee. So as you take it on low flame, very important, don't go too high, you're going to burn this. And you just watch these little things pop to life. And wait till they turn slightly brown, but not quite. Just give them a few seconds, and now they are ready. Water chestnut flour. The best thing is nothing really needs to cook for long. The almonds are already roasted. You add your jaggery, just mix. The flour doesn't really need any cooking time. As long as it turns slightly brown and the jaggery begins to melt, that's how long you have to wait. You can see that when it begins to melt, it begins to melt. And it is lovely. I have one last ingredient which I love adding to this, which is about half a little bit of dried ginger powder, and that is a must. That's what really adds that spunk that you need in the winter. And then you have it with a warm cup of milk.